Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Codestar Technologies. It is also one of the fastest growing online learning platform here in Kenya and Africa at large. So feel free to register. And in our today's session, I would like to show you how you can install M-Pesa certificate. I think you've seen that one on the video's title, and maybe that's the reason why you clicked on this video. So M-Pesa certificate enables you to access the M-Pesa portal, and this is when you want to kind of deploy your application or you want to go live. And this is a video for the guys who are consuming the Daraja API, or in other words, the Lipa na M-Pesa API. So once you practice on how to consume the API and create some apps, test using the parameters that are provided on the developer's portal, you need to go live. So in that case, first of all, you need to create an operator account on the M-Pesa portal, and this is the web address of the M-Pesa portal. You can see, and if I press like enter like that one, you realize that you cannot access this site because it has got so many things. Because for you to access this website, you need to have the M-Pesa certificate. So how do you get the M-Pesa certificate? Because that is the first step you need to do before you now start going live. If I can give brief of the next steps that will follow after just installing the M-Pesa certificate, is that you create an operator account on the M-Pesa portal. Then once you do that, now you can go back to go live, and you will fill this kind of information as you can see here and upload your test case. Then after that, now you will get an OTP on your the number that you provided on the when you're creating the account. And now after that, you can deploy your application. It's going to go live, and you can start make using of your Daraja API. You can deploy that is you can integrate your system with the Daraja API, and you go live. So that is the next process. But now in our videos today, I'm going to show you how you can be able to install the M-Pesa certificate, because for you to access this M-Pesa portal, you need to have an M-Pesa certificate installed on your machine. So in that case, it's quite a challenge because you cannot open using Mozilla. This website you can only access using Internet Explorer or maybe Google Chrome. You can also use it. But first of all, you need to install the M-Pesa certificate so that you can be able to access this site. So what you normally do is, first of all, send a blank email to this email address, as you can see here, this email address that is provided there, which I have highlighted, and they will send you these kind of details, as you can see here. The reason why I'm showing you the details that things like the password will normally changes every week. So it is something that it will keep on changing. You have to reapply a new password each and every time. So yeah, that is it. And once you have that, you'll have to access this site. So if you try to access this one also, it's going to have some issues because you need to access it via the Internet Explorer. So that's why I'm copying the link. This is not the M-Pesa portal's link. The M-Pesa portal link it was this one which I've pasted here on the Google Chrome. So in our case, first of all, we need to open Internet Explorer so that we can be able to now configure the Internet Explorer so that we can be able to access the M-Pesa to install the M-Pesa certificate. Now so first of all, as the Internet Explorer opens, there are some settings which you need to do, which like for example, you can paste the link for the where we are going to apply for the M-Pesa certificate there, and if I paste the link there, now I can press enter. Sorry, I think I've not clicked the link like that. Paste, then you press enter, and once you press enter, what is going to happen is what you can see nothing too much is happening. So you need to click on this gear button, which is here, and add this web address on one of the trusted websites which you can access. That is, you click this link. I'm waiting for it to load. It's kind of very slow, so I'm supposed to click there. I hope it's going to respond again. Let me try again. So it is very difficult to open this site using just the Internet Explorer, because you need to do some settings on the Internet Explorer to access it. So either you can go to internet setting and add this web address to the trusted web addresses which you can access on your machine. So it's asking for us the password, and before that I wanted to show you the settings, but let me first of all log in using these credentials which I'm provided on my email here. So this is the username, and the password I'm going to use this one because I changed the password today. Yesterday, that is not today. So I'll paste this one here and I click OK, and like that you can see now this is where you normally apply for the certificate. So you can view the pending application. I have no pending application, so I can go back home and do application. Like for example, I can say Eric, and you come here, you say email is Eric charlo38@gmail.com. That's my email. Then I can say Codestar Technologies, like that. Then I submit the application, and after sometimes you can see there is something which is happening here. This is the error that you normally get, and for you to do away with this error, that's why I'm saying you need to add this website on the trusted website. So to do that, you just need to go to, you can do compatibility view. You'll click this one and add the website like that and close. Then we can try to reapply again. We are not going to get that error again. So Eric, like that. So Eric Charlo 38@gmail.com, then Codestar Technologies, then we can submit, and it's supposed to, you can see it here submitted now, this one. So we are supposed to wait for some few minutes. You can see it saying us for wait for us to download the certificate is like around 10 minutes 10 days to we can return and get the certificate, but sometimes it takes like even that minute. Sometimes the previous times which I've been doing it, it has been happening like less than 30 minutes, something like that. So M-Pesa certificate, for you to access the M-Pesa portal, the if we just open here and try to copy paste this link for the M-Pesa portal, still we are not going to be able to access it because the M-Pesa certificate is not installed yet. So I wanted to show you some kind of stuff that you need to do so that we can be able to access it. You can see it is asking us to have the M-Pesa certificate so that we can be in a position to access it, which is not there. So we have to wait until we install the certificate, and once we install the certificate, now we can get back to we do the installation, and once we do the installation, we can be able to access the website. So before we access the website, there are other settings which you need to do apart from putting this one to the trusted websites. You also need to go to F12, and that is F12, whatever that button I've clicked, and you'll get these ones. So here you'll get to the emulator, and on there you're supposed to click on the document mode and do some settings here. You kind of change this one to A7 to document to 7, then here you put it to the Internet Explorer 7, something like that. So those are other two settings that you need to have apart from adding the website to the, that is, you can click on the compatibility view settings, you add it, or you can use the Internet Explorer option, this one, and add your website on the security trusted website. You check the set sites and you add your website there. You can see that is what we did, or you can paste the website here and you had it among. So we have got both two websites are added there. So now you can be, that is what you can do. Either you can use the compatibility view settings or internet option. Then after that, the other setting is this F12 developer tool. Then you do the tweaking where you change this document. Then this document you set it to, wait, I think it's not displaying because it is being displayed on the other side. So you change the document mode to 7, then internet user string to also 7, something like that. Then now we can wait. We can also check whether the certificate has been submitted. So has been we have the certificate, and as you can see here, select the certificate. Now the certificate is ready, so you can see it has been created on the same set today. We have not waited for that long. Actually, we are doing some other stuff. So you just need to click there, and you can see the certificate is still pending. You must create what administrator to let's go there. I think now we can come here and download the certificate here. Then it's going to, we can use the open option, this one, and see that option for open. Then here you just click install, then you choose local machine, next. Then here you will choose what, this message you normally just click yes. Then you go to the next one, which is here, place all certificate in the following store. So you browse and you choose the trusted root certificate authorities. Then you click OK. Then you click next. Then you finish. And once you finish, you close all these dialog box like that. Like that. Then now we can try to access our website and see whether the installation now it's okay. We go back home. Click on the view status, and yeah, that was certificate that was generated. Now we can try to access the M-Pesa portal and see whether it's going to open. And yes, there it is. We select the certificate because we have installed, and I hope right now it's supposed to open the M-Pesa portal. You can get something like that. Boom, we are done and you are good to go. And now this link, you can access it from even Internet Explorer. I also have Internet Explorer, which is here. Where is it? This one. I open Internet Explorer like that, and if you use Mozilla, it's not going to work. It normally works on those three browsers. That is one, Internet Explorer, and as I've shown you the settings, you normally do them like that. Then the next one is Google Chrome, and the last one is what? The last one is how do we call it? The Safari. Again, the other thing that you need to know is that the M-Pesa certificate, you cannot it doesn't work on any other operating system except you can see this one. You just click OK. So it doesn't work on any other operating system except just the, what do we call it, the Windows operating system. It does not work on the Linux or those other stuff like Mac OS and so forth. So it only works on the Windows alone. So that's why you need to have to be using Windows machine, and then you get to you install the M-Pesa certificate and you'll be good to go. So if maybe I might repeat the steps in an easier way. So what you just need to know is that you need to know that you can only use Windows operating system to install the M-Pesa certificate. 2, you start by sending a blank email to this email address, M-Pesa cert password blah blah blah. Then you want to use send. They will reply with the username and the password. Then using this username and password, you'll open your Internet Explorer. And once you open your Internet Explorer, you will just need, first of all, to come here and paste the website for the website that you are given here. This vmtk.ca.vodafone.com. That one you copy and paste it on your Internet Explorer. Once you paste it here, before you do anything, come here and add it on the compatibility view, or you can use Internet Explorer to add it among the trusted websites. Then once you do that, now you can come back and send an application. As you've seen, you apply the certificate here. Once you do the application, now you can wait for like 30 minutes. So long as it's during weekdays, working days, it is going to reply very fast, but not at night, because sometimes I tried at night and it didn't work. So it normally works like during the working hours, just in the normal working days. So once you send the application, like as you've seen, hours has not taken more than even 10 minutes. It's like 5 minutes or 2 minutes, something like that. Then you go back to check here, check the existing request. Then once you do that, or you can click on the certificate, you'll see the certificate, then download. Once you download, you install, and make sure you follow those steps of installation as I've shown, and you add it on the trusted folders of the root certificates. Then once you do that, now after installation, you can open this one and also make settings on the FD12. This one, you make settings document mode to be 7, and also you set this one to be kind of Explorer 7. Once you do all those tweaking, now you can be able to access your M-Pesa portal, and you'll have to see a screen like this one where you will log in using the credentials which are provided. And once you log in using those credentials which you are provided, you'll be able to create an operator account for your M-Pesa portal, which are some of the details that will be used to access your to deploy your API live. So that is it. I just wanted to make the video a little bit short and explain it in an easier way, because I tried to check on the YouTube and I didn't see any video that explained in a better way. So it depends, because sometimes we face different challenges, and this is something that if you do it on your own way, there might be someone who might be facing the same challenges, and you might be thinking almost the same way. So that's why I feel like this is a video that is going to be helpful for each and every one of us who is trying to use these the Lipa na M-Pesa Daraja API, in other words. So that is it. Make sure, maybe if you might need to learn this kind of stuff, just feel free to enroll on our online learning platform, and I will be able to take you through. I know sometimes you normally ask questions, sometimes maybe you are stuck somewhere. Sometimes I hope help like free, but sometimes if I don't reply, it doesn't mean like I'm not interested to do that. Yes, I'm very busy. Sometimes I cannot be able to handle all those kind of questions at the same time, but I believe and trust that you understand all that, because these are some of the challenges that we go through. Because someone will ask you, they will get stuck with their code and they want to learn all these things, and I'll be implementing the feature where you'll find that now if you need maybe assistant or code review, you can pay a small amount at least, because I normally use resources, internet, there is power that I also need to use, and so forth. So for me to be able to help you to understand how these things work, sometimes you can be prepared at least to pay a small amount of money and learn something, compared to just get stuck there for like almost like 2 months. You don't know how it works, and you have tried to brainstorm and it's not working, yet you can pay just a small amount of money and I'll be able to take you through. And because also I cannot be able to help you for free, because I need time to do that. I also need resources to do that. So I hope you understand what I mean by that. So kindly bear with me, and I hope we are going to move forward together. So lastly, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, feel free to do that, and there is the video of integrating your system with the Lipa na M-Pesa. So kindly scroll down, you're going to see that video. It's here, it's somewhere here, this Lipa na M-Pesa video. Now it has got almost over 5,000 views, which means guys have been getting some help there. And I normally get even contact, I get people contact me just to ask this kind of stuff, and I hope you are learning. I hope you are helping. It is helping you a lot. because I normally see on the comment section, and you're showing so much love, I can say, and I appreciate a lot. I feel motivated. Thank you for your support. Just click the subscribe button if you've not clicked the subscribe button. Share the video to as many people as you can, and again, make sure you give it thumbs up, at least, so that you can help this channel to grow. And maybe if you have a video that you might need me to do, because I have got a line of some videos which guys have requested, but I normally try to fix it within my free time to kind of make you do these kind of videos. But I will try as much as I can to make it possible for us, so that you can be able to access this content. So that is it for today. I hope this video has been of help to you. So thank you, and see you on the next one, where I'm going to show you how you can do what we refer to as a comment system, something of that sort, at least for you, to show you how you normally do a comment system using just PHP, MySQL, some kind of Ajax and all that, like how you normally see it on the Facebook. It's very tricky. It's not that hard. And some of these videos I normally tell you, it's that I normally do because these are some of the challenges that I faced before, and I normally feel it's good to share, because when you go to the internet, you might find those kind of resources are not that available, or maybe they are not clear. So when I put it on my own perspective, also it's open someone else's mind in a better way. So that is it for today. Thank you guys, and see you on that next video about the comment systems, and I would appreciate a lot to see you on that one.